Hello, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good?
Please, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Sama. I'm 7 years old. I'm from Palestine. My teacher is Miss Nurhan.
Nice to meet you, Sama.
Me too.
In the last time, we talked the second case of long A, okay? And today we're gonna to take the first case of long E. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Did you get your book?
Yes.
So please open page number 44.
44?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Give me a second to open it for you. The page, so we can repeat together.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't want you to be so formal like that. What's wrong with you? I want you to be as you. I want a Sama, my little girl I love. I don't want you to be someone, no, I don't know him or her. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. B, E, B.
Ear. Beer.
What the ending sound in B?
Ear.
E. Excellent. That's my girl. And this sound E comes from this double E. Okay? Again. Today we're gonna take the first case of long E. As we talked before, we finished the long A, long I, long O, long U. Didn't we? Yeah? And today we're gonna to take the first case of long E. And the long E pronounced as E. Repeat after me. E.
Ear.
E. E.
Ear.
Good. B.
Beer.
B.
Beer.
What the ending sound of B?
Ear.
Excellent. Repeat after me. B. E. B.
Ear. Beer.
Number 1. B. E. B.
Ear. Beer.
F. E. T. Feet.
Ear. Feet.
S. E. D. Seed.
Ear. Feet.
J. E. P. Jeep.
Ear. Jeep.
So, what is the ending sound in B?
But the ending sound of beer is ear.
Excellent. And this E comes from this double E. This what?
Double A.
So, if now I ask you, what is the middle sound in the word feet?
It's ear.
So, can you tell me this E comes from where?
It comes when the two ears next together.
That's my girl. Excellent. Exactly that. Okay. What is the middle sound in seed?
It's ear.
E. What the middle sound in Jeep?
Is E.
Excellent, Sama. I love you so much. Okay, Sama. Now we know that the sound of E comes from double E together. So, can you tell me this sound E, long or short?
It is long.
That's my girl. Can you tell me what is the short sound of E?
The short sound of E, it is just one E, not two E's.
What the sound of just one E? What the sound of it? That's my girl. I love you. Okay, my teacher. I'm gonna to repeat after you.
Okay.
Let's go.
B, E, B.
B, E, B.
F, E, T, feet.
F, E, T, feet.
S, E, D, seed.
S, E, D, seed.
J, E, P, jeep.
J, E, P, jeep. Excellent. That's my girl. Okay, I want to know now, please open the next page, and this page is 45. Number C, listen and write. 1. Seed. Spell seed.
E-E-D.
S-E-E-D. Seed. Excellent. Write it in your book.
I already wrote it.
Done?
Yep.
Okay. 2. Feet. Spell feet.
E-E-T.
F-E-E-T. That's my girl. I'm so proud of you. Did you write it?
Mm-hmm.
Number 3. What is this?
Is B.
Can you spell B?
Yeah. B-E-E.
B-E-E. 4. What is this?
Jeep.
Jeep. Here it's a Jeep because it's long E. So it's pronouncing like Jeep. Okay?
Okay.
So spell Jeep.
J-E-E-T.
That's my girl. Did you finish it?
Yep.
In number D, what's missing? Draw and write. In number 1, Sama, what's missing here?
And number 1, there is a B. The B is missing.
The B is missing. Draw it and write it in the box in your book.
Done.
Number 2, what's missing in number 2?
Feet.
Number 2, it says 3 feet. Number 2.
Oh. Number 2 is Jeep.
Jeep. Excellent, right? Jeep. And draw it.
I'm done.
3.
3 is feet.
Spell feet.
Okay. F-E-E-T. Feet.
Yeah. Done feet.
Yep.
Number 4.
Number 4 is seed. Seed.
Spell seed.
S-E-E-D.
S-E-E-D.
I'm done.
That's my girl.